Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yolie. Today's look is inspired by the Morphe palette. This one right here. This palette is simply beautiful. The colors are so rich, they're so vibrant. As you know, Morphe can do no wrong, and the proceeds go to the Trevor Project, which I think is super, super awesome and super, super, super amazing for Morphe for collaborating this and allowing for this to happen. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look. I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Had fun creating this look. As you can see, it's bold, it's vibrant, and it's colorful, just like how life should be. Life should be filled with color. And I just kind of wanted to do something to bring awareness, you know, and to kind of use my platform for something good. I'm so big on people just being who they want to be without judgment, without bias, just acceptance. You know, and that's what we all want, you know, in life. So yeah, I'm excited about this tutorial and hopefully you guys enjoy. And as always, drop me a link, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit the notification. And as always, thank you guys for watching and for your support. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, the first color we're going in with is our transition color, and that is Heart. And we're just going to blend this right into the eyes. To add a pop of color, we're going in with Sexuality, and we're going to focus this on the outer corners and blend inward. To intensify this look and really have a pop, we're going in with Love Wins. Now I'm going in with a second transition color, and I'm going to apply this over Heart, and I'm going to use this color to blend out those hard edges. I do apologize in this section. I did not record how I used all three colors, but the colors that I used was Make Magic, Activism, 1978, and Rise Up. For my face primer, I'm using the popular trending Hydro Grip Face Primer by Milk Cosmetics, and for my foundation, I am using the Huda Beauty Gingerbread Foundation. For my concealer, I'm using ColourPop in medium 26, and I am also using Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer. Now, the purpose of using two concealers is mostly just to have the areas that I want to pop, really pop, and to look bright and awake, and the other areas of my face to look really just blended out well and evenly toned. And now that my concealers are all applied, I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm going to make sure that everything is even, that it looks more like skin and not like makeup. To set this look, I'm using the Jeffree Star Topaz setting powder, and for my bronzing, I'm using the Morphe Phenom bronzer. For my blush, I'm using the Saharan Volume 2 blush palette by Juvias, and then I'm going to blend everything out with my fluffy brush just to make sure everything looks natural. For my highlight, I'm using the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and this highlight is so beautiful. Now onto the lips. Before applying this color, I had already lined my lips with one of my liners, and then I went in with the Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in Bachelorette. Just like that, this look is complete. I know this was a quick tutorial, but I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.